Simple yet powerful, this treasure detector is perfect for anyone starting out or stepping up their detecting game. It's powered by Minelab's multi-IQ engine, the same technology professionals love in the industry's best-selling detector, the Minelab Equinox series. With multi-IQ technology, you get a full range of frequencies that scan and work simultaneously, so you can find all metals in all soils all the time. With Vanquish, nothing goes undetected. With Vanquish iron bias, you'll find less trash. And for those who want even greater control, low iron bias provides optimum precision. Vanquish was born ready. Turning it on will automatically run noise cancel, which puts a stop to any electrical interference, from thunderstorms to power lines that stand between you and your treasure. With a unique collapsible snap lock system, Vanquish is easy to pack and go. Its lightweight, sleek design means you can detect in comfort for hours without tiring. And a water-resistant control pod with included rain cover and waterproof coil means you can take it anywhere, anytime. Field, park, or beach. Using proven and finely tuned algorithms from the Minelab Equinox series, Vanquish outperforms other detectors in wet sand and salt water. Vanquish is feature-packed, giving you the freedom to detect your way, including multi-IQ technology, beach advantage, pinpoint mode, adjustable volume, Bluetooth wireless audio, and 4 fine modes, including the ability to create a custom profile, waterproof coils, water-resistant control pod, and red LED backlight for low light vision. The Vanquish is available in an 8, 10, or 12-inch coil. More coils equal greater flexibility, detect deeper, more precisely, or in tighter spaces. It's up to you. Vanquish comes in 4 variants: Vanquish 340, Vanquish 440, Vanquish 540, and the Vanquish 540 Pro Pack. Whether you're searching for the best starter detector or the ultimate treasure pack-out, there's a Vanquish for you. This is the new Minelab Vanquish with multi-IQ. And this is truly groundbreaking.
Are you ready for the next level of metal detecting? I'm Kevin Hoagland with the Gold Prospectors Association of America, and this is the Garrett ATX. Pulse induction detecting has become vital to gold prospecting, and the Garrett ATX is your gateway to that technology.
Pulse induction detectors are unique in the way that they send their signal into the ground. This technology makes them virtually immune to ground mineralization and ground noise.
The Garrett ATX is designed to work in some of the harshest black sand conditions anywhere in the world. The Garrett ATX's audio and LED-driven menu is extremely simple to use and will quickly become second nature. The Garrett ATX is pulse induction technology that'll simply make you a better gold prospector. Are you ready to step into the next level of metal detecting? Finding targets deeper and bigger? Then the pulse induction Garrett ATX is the machine for you.
Get ready for a whole new metal detecting experience. Ultra-fast recovery speed. Excellent discrimination and unmasking ability. frequency. Wireless freedom with no latency. High performance and unmatched depth. Brings haunted outsides back to life. Cruise through treasures on land or underwater. Advanced Beach Mode offers very stable operation. Waterproof up to 5 meters. Vibration upon detection of target. Lightweight design. Enjoy detecting for extended hours without fatigue. Stay up to date with online firmware updates and get the most out of your detector. Macro Cruiser Series. All-terrain multi-purpose detector offering the best performance and depth at the best price.
This is the GPX 6000 Smart All-Gold Detector from Minelab. Powered by new GeoSense PI technology, the GPX 6000 is the fastest, lightest, and simplest way to find all types of gold in one machine. GeoSense PI precisely analyzes gold signals and eliminates ground signals, so you'll be able to hear all gold pieces clearly, from tiny pieces of gold to that elusive retirement nugget. Become an easy expert from the moment you turn on the GPX 6000 with automatic features and an easy-to-use interface. Because automatic ground balance continuously adapts to changing soil conditions as you swing your detector over the ground, there's no need to adjust any settings. Finding gold has never been easier. With the new GPX 6000, you'll experience a lighter swing. Weighing only 2.1 kilograms and featuring light carbon fiber shafts, streamlined control box, and signature U-Flex armrest, you can detect for longer and feel comfortable doing it. Detect up to 8 hours on a single lithium-ion battery. Add a second lithium-ion quick-release battery to double your time and opportunity. While designed with simplicity in mind, the GPX 6000 doesn't compromise on features and delivers GeoSense PI technology for all gold, easy expert interface with automatic operation, light carbon fiber shafts, a range of waterproof coils, Bluetooth wireless audio control for wireless headphones, backlight adjust for low light vision, sensitivity adjust for optimum performance, adjustable volume, noise cancel for quieter channels, ground type for greater control, quick track ground balance for changing ground conditions, and threshold tone advantage, making it even easier to hear small or deep gold signals. Tested in the harsh environments of goldfields worldwide, the GPX 6000 is built to last, withstanding extreme heat and heavy rains. And for peace of mind, it comes with a 3-year warranty backed by Minelab's global support team. The GPX 6000 can be used with an 11-inch or 17-inch mono-loop coil or a 14-inch double D coil. Detect more precisely, deeper, or in salty environments. The choice is yours. You'll never miss out on the sound of gold with the GPX 6000's loud and clear speaker and supplied wireless Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're earning a living looking for gold or looking for adventure, The GPX 6000 with GeoSense PI technology is the perfect choice to find all gold in all soils all the time. This is the gold detector you've been waiting for. GPX 6000, powered by GeoSense PI. All gold, all soils, all the time.
Imagine a true simultaneous and fast multi-frequency detector. Imagine a rich audio option. Imagine a 20 meters waterproof detector built in a bone conduction headphone. Don't settle for wireless audio when you can own a fully wireless detector. Easy to handle and deploy. No cable. Change the coil in seconds. No cable. Easy to store. No cable. Let our technology make your life easier. DEUS 2. As good on land as on the beach. DEUS 2. A complete detecting platform, also designed for divers up to 20 meters deep. DEUS 2. A full range of accessories for any condition, any terrain. DEUS 2. A large multi-frequency range to excel on all targets. DEUS 2. A real simultaneous multi-frequency detector with an accurate in-depth target ID. XP did it.